What does it take to bring your design work to life without manufacturing a single part? It takes SOLIDWORKS Visualize. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a camera for your CAD data and helps you leverage your design work to create photographically true visualizations directly from your CAD model. Utilizing the industry's most powerful ray tracing engine, painting your model with accurate materials is easy. SOLIDWORKS Visualize real-time photo-accurate results virtually eliminates guesswork, giving your customers a deeper emotional connection with your designs. Exploring different aspects of your product's persona is simple. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is capable of telling a deeper story that resonates with your end users and key stakeholders. Generating the visual content that captivates is easy to create, whether it's for a website, presentation, product video, or advertisement, and helps drive interest toward the products you envision. SOLIDWORKS Visualize has the power to bring great designs to life and compel your audience's attention, all from the convenience of your CAD data.